Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy niku miso udon. Everything about the dish, the flavor, the smell, and the egg on top is so appetizing, and it's easier than it looks. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this niku miso udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles, 4 eggs, Japanese leek, 400 gram ground pork, some ginger and garlic, 3 tablespoons each of miso, sugar, mirin and sake, doubanjan, Chinese spicy bean paste, and tenmenjan, sweet bean paste. I'm going to start with a soft boiled egg. So prepare 1 liter boiling water. Make sure it's fully boiling like this. Turn the heat off and add 100 ml cold water and the eggs. Put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's do the vegetable cutting. Let's mince garlic and ginger, and I'm going to use the ginger with the skin on. Make thin slices. Into strips. Then mince. And garlic. Make thin slices. And mince. Japanese leek. Make some slits here. Like this, and slice in these. Back to the eggs. It's been 15 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water. Now I'm making niku miso, the sauce, with pork. Heat up about 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in the frying pan or wok. Add ginger and garlic, and also the leek. And stir fry them until you start to smell nice flavor. Then add pork. And keep frying until the pork is cooked. Looks good, so let's add the seasonings. 3 tablespoons of water, mirin, sake, sugar, miso, and 1 tablespoon each of these two. Mix it well. And cook for a few minutes to cook it down a little bit. Niku miso is ready, so let's cook the udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. Mine said I can cook it with microwave, so I'm going to do that. I microwaved it about 10 minutes and it's ready, so let's add it to the wok. Give it a mix. Serve on the plate. Optional, but some sliced green onion for the nice color and the flavor. Soft boiled egg in a small bowl. Then on top of the udon noodles. And spicy niku miso udon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The spicy pork sauce is just amazing, and the soft boiled egg adds nice richness and creaminess, and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Niku miso udon is like a combination of rice and main. It's noodles, but it's carbs, so it replaces the rice and nothing here. You can have any soup you like, but how about wakame soup? Vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!